Hey everybody, it's Steph from Destination Exploration here at the University of Lethbridge. I'm excited that you're going to join us for our Arconic STEM Club this year, so let's go see what's inside your bag. So you signed up for our chemistry and biology topic, which means that you've got a lab coat, some safety glasses, and a couple of cups of chemicals. So let's see what everything is. So you've got a brand new lab coat to call your own. You're more than welcome to tie-dye it, draw on it, add some embroidery, make it your own, and then of course, your very own safety glasses. We wear our lab coat and our safety glasses to protect ourselves because we call it PPE, or personal protection equipment. The glasses are there especially if any dust or debris are floating around so that we can keep our eyes safe. The next thing we have in our bag are these little containers that all contain a different chemical. None of these chemicals are going to harm your skin, so you don't have to worry about that, but some of them we don't want to ingest or need to be disposed of properly. On the top of each container there's a sticker. There are two stickers that look like vehicles. One's a plane, one's a type of four-wheeled vehicle, and they're sparkly. These two are going to be used to create one project, and in them is the calcium chloride, which is your plane, and your sodium alginate, which is your car. So these two are food-grade chemicals, which means that we can actually ingest whatever we create with this, as long as our equipment that we're using is, of course, clean. We don't want to ingest them, obviously, by themselves. They're going to taste pretty gross, but you don't have to worry about that when we're creating our project. The next thing we've got is our school sticker. So it's a square. Inside here is our magnesium sulfate, which is more commonly known as Epsom salts. We don't want to be ingesting this by any means, but it can be disposed of in any way you wish. The last one is a cupcake. So inside this is sodium polyacrylate. It's commonly found in diapers and it is a super absorbent polymer. Because it's super absorbent, we need to make sure that we're disposing of it in a proper way. We do need to make sure that we're avoiding touching our ears, eyes, nose, and mouth when working with this chemical. When we're cleaning it up, you're going to notice that it might be hard to clean it with a wet cloth because it is absorbing that liquid. That means that when we're disposing of it, both while it's in its crystal form and after the experiment has happened, that we're putting it in the garbage can. We need to avoid sinks. It cannot go down the toilet. It's going to avoid all plumbing. And those are the 4 chemicals that we're going to be using as part of our projects, along with other things around the house. So you've got your lab coat, your goggles, and of course your 4 unique chemicals. I would make sure that you keep your lids on your containers so that they don't get mismatched. And other than that, make sure that you've got everything with you before the first day of club and you're ready to go.